5 little ducks went splashing one day in a big bubble bath. Hip, hip, hooray, Mother Duck said, quack, pop, 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 pop. But only 4 little ducks made the bubbles stop. Four little ducks saw bubbles so high, they floated and sparkled up in the sky. Mother Duck said, quack, pop, 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 pop. But only 3 little ducks made the bubbles stop. Three little ducks splashed water so grand, they made a big wave that tickled the land. Mother Duck said, quack, pop, 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 pop. But only 2 little ducks made the bubbles stop. Two little ducks found a bubble so round, it bounced and it wiggled without any sound. Mother Duck said, quack, pop, 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 pop. But only 1 little duck made the bubbles stop. One little duck said, let's splash some more. They called all their friends to the soapy shore. Mother Duck said, quack, pop, 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 pop. And all 5 ducks made the bubbles go pop.